critical is the next 6 months to your success? I love working with emerging leaders to help them find that success. My name is Ted Gorski. I'm a leadership coach and expert. And in this short video, I'm going to share with you some of the services I provide that will help you and your leaders find that success in the coming months. I've been coaching leaders for over 2 decades, both domestically and internationally. And here are some typical services I provide. First of all, I'm a coach. I coach leaders both individually and in group settings. Secondly, I offer workshops. I offer workshops in topics such as communication, emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, and conversational intelligence. Third, I offer assessments. I do assessments with DISC, emotional intelligence, and conflict dynamics. Fourth, I can help you with programs. For example, I offer a program called the Edge Roundtable with Emerging Leaders. This helps your emerging leaders expedite the development process. So here is what some of my past clients have said on how I've helped them. If my services might be helpful to you in the next 6 months, email me so we can schedule a time to talk.